Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing and also hit that thumbs up button. In today's video, we will be going over a comparison of BAVSOUND's Stage 1 speakers versus the stock Harman Kardon system that was originally equipped in my BMW. Now this video will serve as a comparison between the two speakers and just a general review of the BAVSOUND speakers. As many of you guys know, I did this swap in my BMW E46 and my F10, and I want to give you guys some real life comparisons so you guys can hear for yourself the difference between the stock Harman Kardon system and the BAVSOUND Stage 1 system with the subs and the speakers to make up your mind if this is worth it for you. And I will tell you right now, it absolutely is. But let's get on to the comparison and then I'll go over my final thoughts. All right, so this is a audio comparison of my stock Harman Kardon speakers, my BMW F10. I will be using a sound decibel meter on my phone, and I will be going around to all the speakers with my microphone to give an accurate representation of what the stock Harman Kardon system speakers sound like. So this is the audio output of the BAVSOUND Stage 1 kit with all the speakers and subwoofers installed. Two things I want to mention before I get into my personal opinions of these speakers. First being, I am by no stretch of the imagination an audiophile. I do enjoy good music and I do know the difference, but I am not a professional or an expert when it comes to this stuff. I just enjoy good music that sounds good, punchy bass, very good highs, and good mids. So with that being said, I also wanted to mention that I did do the best that I could with the equipment that I have. I know there's probably much better equipment, but hey, that's the part of YouTube. I'm learning and trying to figure it out. So let's get on to what I think of these speakers over the Harman Kardon speakers. I think the BAVSOUND speakers over the Harman Kardon speakers sound much clearer. I feel that the Harman Kardon speakers are very muddy when it comes to the mids. The mids sound very muddy. And I hope my audio comparison picked that up. Yes, these speakers do sound louder and of course a lot clearer, but they don't necessarily sound shockingly louder, just due to the fact that the amp is still the factory amp, which will be changing in the future. BAVSOUND just came out with a amplifier for the stock Harman Kardon speakers or for the BAVSOUND speakers if you up. So that new amplifier that is coming out, I'm very interested to see how it changes the output of these speakers. But with that being said, I also want to mention that the tweeters sound great. The highs are unbelievable. I really like the way they sound, much more clear. While the subwoofer definitely sounds better, more punchier, it still has that limitation of the amp. The factory subwoofer on the BMW wasn't that great to begin with. Yes, they're only 8 inches and they're R2 and they sit under the seat. Yes, they sound punchy, they sound good, but if you're used to an actual sub, they still don't cut it. And I think it's really just a limitation of the amplifier, not necessarily the subwoofers. Overall, I really like these speakers. I enjoy listening to them, especially after the break-in period. They really woke up and sound great. I enjoy listening to music. I definitely recommend buying these speakers if you're interested in upgrading speakers for your BMW, and I will continue to use BAVSOUND. I have nothing bad to say about them. I really enjoy the way that the installation is so easy, and that's why I will continue to use BAVSOUND in all of my BMWs, just due to how easy it is to install and the performance that you get out of them. So that is why I think BAVSOUND is very, very good for the money. People think you can go put a system together, and sure you can, but it's just the easy use and it won't be there. That's why BAVSOUND is the king, and I would really like to compare these speakers to the Bimmertech speakers. I'm very interested to see how those sound. Also really like to test out BAVSOUND's new amplifier that is coming out and see how it compares. I think it's going to make a big improvement to the way this car sounds. But overall, if you guys are looking for some great speakers, BAVSOUND's the way to go on any BMW. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out BAVSOUND, link down below if you want to pick up some speakers for your BMW, and also consider using my Amazon ECS affiliate link as it helps out the channel at no cost to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.